Hey guys, I'm keeping it simple today with some sauteed cabbage and smoked sausage. Just watch this simple, quick, delicious dish. So if you're looking for something simple, whether it be a work day, Friday night, this is the way you want to do it. It's a simple, simple dish. First, I get a whole head of cabbage, and I'm going to get the cabbage diced up into nice sized pieces. You want to make sure you cut the core out, of course. And I did, you want to clean your cabbage. So I did clean the cabbage in between, chopped it up. Just want to let you guys know that first. Next, you want to chop up your onion, and you want to get it into nice sized pieces. It doesn't have to be finely chopped because the onion is going to essentially caramelize in the pan. And of course, you got to have the smoked sausage. Now, you can use spicy, you can use andouille. I mean, really, you can use whatever type of sausage you want with this. Get some fresh garlic chopped up, probably about 3 to 4 cloves, and get that chopped up. And you pretty much have all of your ingredients. It's like I said, this is a simple, simple, simple dish. The first thing you want to do is get some oil in your pan. I'm using avocado oil, and you want to get the smoked sausage into the pan. And what I'm looking to do here is get some color on that smoked sausage. I want to get some nice brown bits on the smoked sausage, and I'm going to use the residual oil from the smoked sausage so that I can go ahead and cook up the onions before I throw in the cabbage. But I mean, take a look at those pieces of smoked sausage. That looks absolutely delicious already. I may have taken one. I'm just gonna go ahead and own up to it. Next, we're gonna cook the onions, and you want to get the onions sweating just a little bit before you add your garlic. Get the garlic in there, and again, like I always say, cook the garlic until it becomes fragrant, and then you want to season as you go. Make sure you season as you go, and it just helps the flavor develop. And with this one, you don't need a ton of salt and pepper because that smoked sausage already is seasoned extremely well. Next, we're going to come in with our cabbage, and the way you want to cook the cabbage is you really want to get it to wilt down just a little bit, but you still want it to have some texture. You still want it to be tender. So I went ahead and I seasoned my cabbage with salt and pepper, and also a little bit of garlic powder. So that's the way I did it. So kept it really, really simple. Next, you're going to come in with some sherry. You want to get the sherry to coat the bottom of the pan. And of course, you guys know I got to throw in some of that What's That Here sauce, or that W sauce, whatever you want to call it. It's just going to add a nice flavor in the background. And then you want to go ahead and cover this. And this is just going to give the cabbage some time to steam before you add the smoked sausage. So now that you got the smoked sausage in there, throw all of that in there. The juices, the oil, whatever you have in that little bowl that I put in there, make sure all of that goes in. Mix the cabbage and the smoked sausage together to get them incorporated. And then you want to cover it, let it steam a little bit more. That cabbage is going to go ahead and develop that like rich brown looking color just a little bit, but you still want to see the green. And this simple, quick dish is done. It's probably one of my quickest videos, but I'm telling you, it's absolutely delicious. Pair this with some nice rice. I cooked my rice in the Instant Pot. Only takes 4 minutes in the Instant Pot. I encourage you to get one. It's absolutely a great device to use. Plate this bad boy up, and I'm telling you, the flavor is simple, but it's so good. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Gotta take a bite of this one. It's simple, but delicious. Sometimes you just gotta keep food simple. Pardon me. Don't add a whole bunch of things in it, and just enjoy it. Guys, on to the next one.